Good afternoon, everybody. It's Elaine Page, and welcome to my Camtasia Studio presentation. This is a program by TechSmith that allows you as educators to create videos on instruction and then upload them to your classroom web page or your homework calendar. For this assignment and this tutorial, I selected to show you guys how to upload a URL address for students that may be homesick. Sometimes students are home because of dental appointments or family obligations, and they're able to stay current with the work. But for me, being a science teacher, recreating a lab for just one or two people is a huge undertaking. So anytime a student is absent on a lab day, I upload an online lab so that they can do the lab and the write-up from the safety of their own home. In this particular tutorial, I did a chicken heart dissection as part of the 7th grade curriculum. We learn about the cardiovascular system. So to go along with the standards there, we do a dissection of a chicken heart. But for those students that are absent, I'm not going to recreate that lesson for them, so I created something for them to do online. We are going to learn how to upload a hot link or a URL address to your web page, and this will allow students to have access to the assignment from a distance. In our class today, we created an assignment doing open heart surgery on a human. This is an online lab that allows students to operate on this young boy. I'll walk you through the steps. He is sick and he's in the hospital and he needs a heart transplant. And you just have to follow the steps. Use the stethoscope here to listen to his heart. Pick the correct operating room. Follow the directions using the tongs. Pick up the cotton balls. Dip it in the iodine. Sterilize where you're going to be making your incision. And then grab the marker and create a line for the incision. I'm going to stop it here just in case some of you are squeamish. But go ahead, highlight the link, and copy. At this point, you would go to your home. You would go to your home web page. My district uses MyConnect, which is awesome because it's like your own perfectly made web page. I teach 2 integrated 7th to integrated 8th grade sciences. And this is where my students would go to find out what's happening on the calendar day that they missed. So we go to the calendar. I'm going to pretend this was on, let's put it the 15th here. It's going to be an assignment on open heart surgery. It is for my 7th grade integrated, so you want to make sure you pick the correct group and go to more options. Here you have an option to create quizzes, put in classroom dialogue, but for my assignment right now, I'm going to go ahead and add a URL address, so we want to hit a link there, and then I'm just going to right-click and paste. Here I insert the link, and I hit Click Me. Scrolling on down, you want to make sure that you have a URL website as your online entry option, and then go down here to the bottom and hit Publish and Save. Now, your student that is absent that day can go on to their calendar, click on Open Heart Surgery, click on the link, and the online simulation should appear ready for them to do their operation at home, so when they come to school the next day, they are prepared and don't miss any instructional time. So I would like to thank you very much for listening to my presentation of how to upload a hot link or URL address to your web page so that students can access your work from a face-to-face classroom to a distance learning environment. Thank you.